I want to get down to where it talks about where it's gonna really affect us. You feel me? I understand like the whole company. I said the whole company, the whole country's GDP and all that type of stuff. But I want to see how it's gonna affect us. Swiss and Liechtenstein companies will invest at least $200 billion into the United States, with at least $67 billion worth of investments occurring in 2026. These investments will create thousands of well-paying American jobs across all 50 states and a number of sectors such as pharmaceuticals, machinery, medical devices, aerospace, construction, advanced manufacturing, gold manufacturing, and energy infrastructure. That's a lot. But we also know these is gonna be very effective. In sense you got, your household names like Rolex, Omega. Um, I'm not sure if I know Cartier is there, like Cartier. Um, but you got a lot of household names that are in there. Based out of Switzerland. That's where their headquarters is at. And that tax is going to hit them. So now they about to start creating jobs over here. I think that means that they're going to start creating manufacturing facilities across the United States. Some probably down in the Florida region, some probably in the New York region, LA region, Detroit, Chicago, who knows? Those touch all the major areas and all the major trade ports. So I see that. I see that. So, and also you gotta understand these products they sell. Oh, the value, like a Rolex can go for 50,000. It's like selling cars, selling houses. You got a house on your wrist. You got a house on your wrist. It's crazy. But what does that mean for the people that trade or looking to buy a watch? As part, going down to the last part, it says as part of the President Trump's strategy to establish more balanced trade with Switzerland and Liechtenstein, the trading partners will pay a cumulative tariff rate of no higher than 15%, the same treatment given to the European Union. Okay, so now they all will be taxed at the same rate, which is 15%. So what exactly does this mean for the next year Rolex release, or Cartier releases something like that? Inflation price is gonna go up because the companies are now trying to accommodate for that 15%. So now because it's a 15% across the whole board, and America makes up about, I'm guesstimating about 25% of a lot of these Swiss companies, which are a lot of luxury companies, market. They're about 15 to 25% of their market. So I think that is a just do. A just do. Especially when you start talking about 25%. And that's just as one country. Then you gotta go across multiple different countries, and that themselves are broken down in multiple different countries and regions. But for the U.S. region, if U.S. take up 25% of your market, you feel me? Yeah, you're gonna feel it. You're gonna feel it. And since inflation is evident, you feel me? And it's gonna keep being inflation. The price is gonna go up. So a 15% trade tax. That also means, if they produce watches out of Swiss, and if they produce any other thing, from bracelets, diamonds, the Swiss products, because a lot of people only think about the end product. You feel me?